Hi, Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney here. Today I am going to start the process of getting an ignition interlock device in my own car. Now, my clients, I handle a lot of DWI cases, and my clients usually at some point in the process need this ignition interlock device. And it is a problem for a lot of people. Just it's stressful, it costs money, it's difficult to understand how it works. So what I want to do is I want to show you how it works. And the first step is calling one of the companies. Now, there are 6 or 7 different companies in Travis County that offer this to rent you this ignition interlock device. The one we've had the most success with is Smart Start. They are just reliable. So I'm looking right now. Here's the Smart Start website, and it has a couple options. I can fill out a form, or there's a chat bot right here, but I'm going to go ahead and call them and get started. Now, my clients have a pending case, okay, so they will give them information about the case and Travis County and that kind of thing. I'm doing it voluntarily. I don't have a pending case, so this will be a little different than most people, but let's see how smooth it goes. I'll leave the number. Let's see what it has to say. Hi, I'd like to get a ignition interlock device in my car. It will be a voluntary install. Yes. Okay, so the basic facts from that, I've got it scheduled now. There's an installation fee of about $125, and it's $98 a month after that. There's no contract, so it's just month to month. That took about 15 minutes to get that scheduled. I'll see you in the next video where I show you me getting it installed.